How to add videos to My Eyes Only on Snapchat from Camera Roll. So if you want to add your videos to My Eyes Only on Snapchat from your Camera Roll, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open your Snapchat, now you can go for the albums icon, which is on the bottom left, and then you can choose Camera Roll option. Once you've choose the camera roll, now you can simply select a video or an image to move to your My Eyes. So for example, I'll be choosing an image. Once you've chosen the image, now you need to simply tap on hide, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then you need to enter the password of your My Eyes Only. Once you enter your password, now it will ask you if you want to move to My Eyes Only. So if you want to move that to your My Eyes, you need to simply tap on move, and that's it. So that's how you can add a photo or an image to My Eyes. But if you want to add a video to My Eyes, then you need to simply tap on your video that you would like to add to My Eyes. Once you've tapped the video, it is the same process for video also. You need to simply tap on move, and then your video will be moved to My Eyes. So that's it. That's how you can add your videos or images to My Eyes Only on Snapchat from your camera roll. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.